Number one, no one is like me. If he even wanted to come close, he'd have to go to medical school, become a psychiatrist, work in an asylum, fall in love with your patient, breaks the patient out of asylum, and begin a life of crime. Jump into a vat of chemicals to prove yourself to a madman, get arrested by Batman, go to jail, get out of jail with a bomb attached to your neck, save the world, go back to jail, get out of jail before breaking up with the aforementioned madman, and go on your own. Number two, $6 for a bottle of tap water with a fucking cucumber stick in it. That's crazy. I'm not shopping at the store. I'm robbing it. Consider this your voice lesson. Paying is for dummies.